The world of coconut has really changed. When I was a kid, we had one kind of coconut, sweetened shredded coconut for cakes. I now have at least a half dozen coconut products in my pantry, and we have almost a dozen that we use here in this test kitchen. So let me start with the simplest form, down here at the end. This is dried, unsweetened. We actually use this a lot when we want strong coconut flavor in baked goods. It is boiled and grated and dried, and it's got pure coconut flavor. We actually did a tasting, and a brand called Now Real Organic Foods is our favorite. This is the sweetened shredded coconut of my childhood. It's a little sticky because it goes into a sugar solution at some point or other. We like to use this in something where, like a macaroon, where you want that kind of chewy texture because it's got a chew to it that you don't get with the unsweetened. Next up, this is a relatively new entry on the scene. It's coconut flakes. And it's the same product, it's just sliced larger. Really nice on top of oatmeal, maybe sprinkled on a salad. It's a little too big to put into cakes or cookies. The texture doesn't work quite as well there. Next up, we have coconut chips. And as the name implies, this is actually kind of a snack food. You can eat it right out of hand. It's baked or fried rather than boiled, and then it's dried. It's also lovely in a trail mix or in your granola. So the first four things here on the table are all the coconut flesh that's processed in some way. Now we're going to start to talk about things that are made from other parts of the coconut. And let me start here with coconut water. This is actually the liquid inside the coconut, and this is actually from young green coconuts. It's mostly used now as a sports drink. You don't really cook with this. It's got a little bit of a floral coconut flavor, but why athletes like this is replenishes electrolytes. In terms of the kitchen, probably the liquid that we're using most often is coconut milk. And this is actually made by steeping equal parts of either hot milk or hot water in unsweetened coconut. And you see it's got a very thick texture here. This is what you're using in curries or coconut rice pudding. We do have a test kitchen favorite here. It's Aroy D, and because it's got a really creamy texture and a nice coconut flavor, but not overly coconut. Some coconut milks can be kind of too much, almost like suntan lotion coconut. You don't really want that when you're cooking. Next up, I've got coconut cream. Now this is the same thing as coconut milk, except they use 4 times as much coconut. So it's really thick. It's actually akin to the thing that's at the top of a can of coconut milk, except all of it's thick and super creamy and super rich. Here I've got cream of coconut. Now this is totally different than coconut cream. This is the thing you keep at the bar to make a pina colada, and it's sweetened. Totally not interchangeable with coconut cream. Next up, we have coconut oil, and this is refined coconut oil. You can buy either unrefined, which has a pretty strong coconut flavor. We prefer it refined, so it's more versatile. You can use it in vegan baking as a one-for-one replacement for butter. Coconut flour. This is extracted from the meat. It is a great gluten-free alternative. We like to pair it with almond flour, which is pretty dense and fatty, and this absorbs liquid. It works pretty well with the almond flour. It can be a little coconutty on its own. If you're going to keep coconut flour on hand for baking, it belongs in the freezer or fridge because it will go rancid pretty quickly. And last on the table, I've got coconut sugar. This is the only thing that's not made from the coconut itself. It's made from the sap from the flour. And it has got a caramel sweetness. The texture's drier than brown sugar, and it's a little coarse. So if you want to use it in a recipe, let's say a cake recipe or a cookie recipe, we suggest you grind it in a spice grinder so that it gets a little bit finer. But it's lovely with those kind of caramel, coconutty notes in anything you want to bake. Coconut, what can't it do?
Looking for kitchen inspiration on the go?
Check out the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Cook with confidence and take our recipes, reviews, and more wherever you go.
Access thousands of fail-proof recipes, equipment reviews, how-to videos, and full episodes of our TV shows.
With smart searching, favorites, and other tools, it's your ultimate kitchen companion.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.